Welcome back to vlog. Tonight we're going to be cooking a sage and Parmesan pork chop. I'm going to be serving it with some rice, some seasoned rice, seasoned with ginger, onion, garlic. As always, hope you like this video and my other cooking videos. Let's get on with the show. Okay, we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to create some lemon zest. We've already done some up. Lemon off to the side. It calls for 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. More than I need. A pinch of black pepper, which is a couple of grapes. Pinch. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One and 1/2 teaspoons rubbed sage, which is basically just powdered sage, but not completely powderized. 1/2. Like with most recipes, if you're making this for yourself, you can always adjust it according to your taste. If you don't like sage that much, put less, so on and so forth. You can take 1/2 cup Parmesan, grated Parmesan. Best thing to mix up flour and stuff like that is a fork. Get it all mixed up. Now we're going to get our handy dandy and ask for some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, and 1 lightly beaten egg. I use gloves so it doesn't make a large mess on my fingers. You gotta make sure the oven's preheated to 425, sorry. Take the pork chop, pork loin chop, as the case may be. Put it in the flour, press it. Oh, mistake. So you manually press it on, put it on. It's just all coated in flour mixture. Put it in the egg wash. Any excess egg drop off. Repeat the process with the breadcrumbs. Be right back. Welcome back. I got some olive oil and butter going in this pan right here. So I brown it off before we put it in the oven. I got a slightly greased bacon pan right there. Take the pork chop. I got it over medium heat right there. And right here I got my seasoned rice. And take about 4 minutes per side. Since it's a loin chop and not a regular chop, I'm gonna cut it down to about 2 minutes. And I'm gonna bake it off. Be right back. It should be ready to go by the time the oven's at 425. Once it's in the oven, it'll take about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's ready to come out of the pan and go into the oven. Good. Like I said, it'll take 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll be back when it's time to pull it out. Okay, the timer beeped. That means it's time to bring it out of the oven. Yeah, looks mighty fine. Down here. Here's my rye. Away we go. Let's go over, sit down and taste it out. Alright, let's first try the rice. See if it's seasoned right. Oh, I just wasted some seasoning. As well. Good. Now the pork. Very good. I would say it's 8 out of 10 quality. Hope you enjoyed this little video. As always, if you like this video or any of my other videos, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you'll be notified of my uploads. And y'all have a great time.